Welcome to my channel in the tutorial number 600. Today's Samsung S10 Lite camera problem. Only black screen when we choose camera application. Nothing happened. This is hardware problem because we restarted the phone several times. And now, when we check the schematic, there are two transistors. I marked for you with the red I's. Yes, now you can see two transistors which are responsible to camera function. In my case, the faulty is upper one, so we have to replace them. I mount the board on the preheater and use microscope to desolder it. Use a temperature about 330 degrees of Celsius. Okay, so now I can see the soiled pads due to water damage, so we have to clean it. After that, next step, we have to clean the pads from the tin and mount another transistor IC. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.